क्या एक हम मैन मेड भी कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटी होती हैं जिसकी वजह से अर्थ का में जो अर्थक्वेक आते हैं उस पर कुछ असर पड़ता हो? क्या हम माइनिंग बहुत ज्यादा कर रहे हैं? क्या हम या फिर जो बिल्डिंग्स बन रही हैं, जैसे आप अगर 80 मंजिला इमारत बना रहे हैं तो क्या आपको उतना ही डीप जाना पड़ता है? क्या गाइडलाइंस होती हैं बीआईएस की ऊंची बिल्डिंग बनाने में?
तो मैडम दैट बिल्डिंग का हाइट एंड definitely इसके साथ रिलेशन है, but only what I told that we should know the thickness of the soft sediments. So our foundation of the building should be below the soft sediments, so that it will not withstand or it will not face the liquefaction, that scenario whatever I described. It can stand even if there is some sort of earthquake. So that is one aspect. Another thing is that into this region, always we should have some sort of guidelines, whatever that has been given by the Bureau of Indian Standard, that what sort of resilient structure to be constructed, we have to follow that. Even this, and another important thing, that from the seismicity study, from different sort of geoscientific investigation, the Delhi region and NCR has been defined into the zone 4. So entire India has been divided into zone 2, zone 3, zone 4 and zone 5. Zone 4 and 5 into the Himalayan seismic belt. 5 is the highest seismically hazardous zone. So hazard region lie into the region of Himalaya, and most of the part is zone 4. We have seen few days back there was an earthquake in Kutch and Gujarat, that is also falling under zone 5 and 4. So they are having very earthquake prone region, and so like that, whatever the seismicity map has been provided, whatever microzonational map has been given by the, I think IMD has prepared that microzonational map for the Delhi and NCR, and we should follow whatever recommendation they have made into the microzonational map of Delhi. Then we can at least mitigate the impact of the earthquakes, because it can't be stopped by any process. If earthquake comes, at least we should get ready, we should be prepared to face it. And this is the high time that COVID-19 coronavirus also has taught us many things, that for even eventuality we have to keep ourselves ready. Anytime we can face any sort of new problem, new challenge. So facing to the new challenge, we always keep ourselves ready and prepared. And now in the Delhi NCR region, it is a high time that the constructions of the building and other lifeline structure should be followed. The guidelines given by the Bureau of Indian Standard or BIS, or the microzonational seismicity map given by IMD, we should also follow the recommendations given by them.